Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok player error and error occurred with the video player. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in TikTok application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search TikTok app, update your TikTok application latest version. Open your phone setting, go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your TikTok application. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok player error and error occurred with the video player problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.